Looking to bulk up your Yesware contacts page with new prospects? Speed up your search using Yesware's Prospector tool, where you can search for net new contacts via a variety of filters. Then, auto-create an enriched profile for each desired contact by using one account credit per new contact. From the Yesware App Site's Prospector tab, start your search by entering information in the Filter section. You must fill in at least one filter. However, the more filters you fill in, the more targeted your results will be. Filter options include job title, seniority, location, company name, industry, company website, and name. Using advanced filters, you can request results only for those with phone numbers and a LinkedIn profile available. Once you are ready, click Search to have Yesware generate your results. On the top right corner, Yesware will list the number of results yielded from your search using the filtered prompts. Use the arrow beside it to go to each new page. Once you have found your desired prospect, check off their box, or click Select All if you plan to create a contact page for all of the listed contacts on the current result page. Be mindful of the number of credits you have available, as one contact equals one credit. If you are low on credits, simply click on the Get Credits button to replenish your account. When you are ready to create the contact, click Create Contacts. Once the contact is created, you will be able to find them on the Contacts tab. You can search for them either by name, email address, or any tags you associated with the contact through the Filter button. Yesware auto adds 2 tags to all contacts created from Prospector, that being Prospector and the date the contact was created. You can click to view their profile, see your contact timeline with them, and write in any notes regarding the contact. Happy prospecting!